आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव।
Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News, Birth of a Nation.
India's glorious freedom struggle is one of the greatest struggles the modern world has ever witnessed. AIR News brings you a glimpse of the struggle every day.
निज भाषा उन्नति है सब उन्नति को मूल, बिन निज भाषा ज्ञान के मिटत न ही को सूल.
In today's episode, we remember nationalist, the father of Hindi literature and Hindi theatre, Bharatendu Harish Chandra, who died on 6th of January 1885.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ी के जदपि सब गुण होत प्रवीण, पैनिज भाषा ज्ञान बिन रहत हीन के हीन.
Bharatendu was barely 7 years old when the First War of Independence of 1857 took place, which left a deep impression on young Harish Chandra.
Bharatendu was a precursor to the Hindi Renaissance. He was the man behind what is known as the Hindi vernacular nationalism and the driving force behind the mass movement that culminated in the popular slogan Hindi, Hindu, Hindustan.
उन्नति पूरी है तभी जब घर उन्नति होए, निज शरीर उन्नति किए रहत मूड सब कोय.
His journals were vociferous in their critique of the oppressive policies of the British government.
Harish Chandra represented the agonies of the people, the country's poverty, dependency, inhuman exploitation, the unrest of the middle class, and the urge for the progress of the country. His play, Andher Nagari Chaupat Raja, Takeser Bhaji Takeser Khaja, is a satire on the irrational and autocratic British government system.
Bharatendu used new media, especially publications, to shape public opinion. He launched the first Hindi movement in the country. Written in Khadi Boli, his plays, poems, prose and journals were widely distributed across North India.
निज भाषा उन्नति बिना कबहू न होए होए सोए, लाख उपाय अनेक यूं भले किरे किन कोय.
The status of Khadi Boli, thought of as an inferior dialect, was elevated as Bharatendu's journals reached the reading public in the country.
एक भाषा एक जीव एक मति सब घर के लोग, तबे बनत है सबन सो मिटत मूढ़ता सो.
The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of India has been giving the Bharatendu Harish Chandra Award since 1983 to promote original writings in Hindi mass communication. We salute the great Indian nationalist.
We also remember playwright Vijay Dhundopanta Tendulkar, who was born on the 6th of January 1928 in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. He participated in the 1942 Indian freedom movement at the age of 14 years, leaving his studies. He is considered as a leading fighter for cultural freedom through his plays, movie and television screenplays and journalism, primarily in Marathi language. Tendulkar grew up watching plays, and at age 11, he wrote, directed and acted in his first play. He is best known for his plays Shantata, Korta Chalu Ahe, Ghashiram Kotwal and Sakharam Binder. Thematically, his plays have ranged from the alienation of the modern individual to contemporary politics, from socio-individual tensions to the complexities of human character, from the exploration of man-woman relationships to reinterpretations of historical episodes.
Many of his plays derived inspiration from real-life incidents or social upheavals, which provides clear light on harsh realities. He is the recipient of many prestigious awards. We salute the great man.
We also remember 3 residents of Barka, district Gurgaon, Haryana. Khushiram, son of Chandu Mayo, Amir, son of Mubarak Mio, and Ranbaz Mio, son of Malkhan Mio, who took part in the First War of Indian Independence of 1857. They were arrested by the British authorities, tried for sedition, and sentenced to death, martyred on the 6th of January 1858. We salute the great sons of the soil.
That brings us to the end of this episode of Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News. See you in the next episode tomorrow.